Welcome to Initial Speed. I'm your host Phil, and behind the camera is Omar. We are at, I finally was able to drag him out to what used to be called June Jitterbug. Now it's German Air Show. So today, it's all German stuff. Scirocco, basically, yeah, it's German stuff. VW, Audi, Rolls, because they belong to BMW, Mercedes, all the German stuff. So come with us, take a look, and down below, let us know what you think.
Herbie.
Love Bug.
Yep.
From the 80s, 70s and 80s.
I don't know. So come up and see here at the DGB. Let me know if you have survey. Your Volkswagen along
There's also a swap
okay?
here. Ooh. There you go, Stefan. I know you're all about this Corrado life. Maybe when you move back, we'll...
Phil used to own this back in the day. And a good friend of mine used to have similar model.
Damn, son. Mark II.
It's good to see people are still keeping these things alive.
It's definitely tuned. Set up. It's definitely tuned and set up.
Yeah.
He's moved the turbo up from behind the manifold, which obviously makes sense. VR6 engine, so I'm sure he's tinkered with it.
Yeah.
I mean,
this one's nice.
He's changed the intake manifold, right? Like, he's done it. The only thing he could do more, in my opinion, is change it from coil.
It's using a distributor to coil pack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Oh, here we got another one. More modern.
Well, take out those flaps. That means
same engine, supercharged, not turbocharged, and he has the plastic covering over the engine. But yeah, this one's supercharged, that one's turbocharged.
Yeah.
And he's moved the ECU. I wonder where he moved it to. It's probably a standalone. Blow off in the back. Saw it. VR6 engine small.
Yeah.
So in the VW world, they say VR swap the world, kind of like how you LS swap the world or K series swap the world. That's VW's thing. VR6 swap the world.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God. When your fender rots out, that's what you do. Replace it with new metal.
I see. Little off-road action.
Oh, I know this car.
Yeah.
It's Das parts from... get up there and then you extend it.
Have some camping trips with this thing.
Right?
Yeah.
Ooh, this guy is low.
So they're going to be doing the engine blow. Essentially, they're just going to be running the engine until it
No oil in it.
blows.
With no oil in it.
With no oil in it. All right. Well,
At high RPM.
we'll take a look at that.
So the whole thing is you go and you put down money. Like if you think it's going to be 2 minutes, you buy a ticket for 2 minutes. You think it's 10 minutes, you buy a ticket for 10 minutes. And they run it with no oil at high RPMs and see how long it goes. Usually they grab a non-VW engine. Last year it was a Honda. Actually, I had expected it to go for more than 7 minutes.
How long did it last the last time?
Last time it was a minute, under 2 minutes.
All right, we're gonna see the engine blow show right now, and what do you guys think? How long do you think the engine's gonna last? It looks like a Hyundai Tucson that they're gonna be running, so let's see.
You're gonna go with
30 seconds.
33.56 seconds.
Well, I was wrong. Holy.
That was fun. Well, I hope you guys took a guess down below before the engine blew, because I mean that was kind of cool. But it's starting to spit. It wasn't supposed to rain. I think we've seen a good amount of cars. At this point, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you saw something that you liked. Right down below, let us know something that you saw that you did like. And thanks for watching Initial Speed. Omar, I'll throw it to you.
Initial Speed out. See you guys.